In this video, I'm revealing one of the most powerful strategies that combine the Williams Fractal with the RSI indicator. This method helps you filter out bad signals and take only high probability trades. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. Roadmap of this video. What is fractal? Adding RSI. Entry rules. Stop loss and take profit. Example trades. What is the fractal? The Williams Fractal is very simple and useful indicator. A top fractal can act as potential resistance and a bottom fractal can act as a potential support. So it's very good at showing where the market may react. Generally, the indicator is formed by 5 candlesticks on the price chart and shown with an up or down arrow to signal its high or low status. A top fractal appears when the middle candle has the highest high compared to the 2 candles on its left and 2 candles on its right. A bottom fractal appears when the middle candle has the lowest low compared to the 2 candles on its left and 2 candles on its right. This makes the fractals good at showing where the market may react. Why fractals alone are tricky? One common mistake beginners make with the Williams Fractal is using it as a reversal indicator. They see a bottom fractal and immediately open a buy position, hoping the price will go up. They see a top fractal and open a sell position, expecting the price to go down. It looks simple, but I backtested this method multiple times on real charts and the results were clear. The win rate was very low and many trades ended in losses. Most fractals alone don't reflect the overall trend or momentum, so the price often moves past them instead of reversing. For example, here we see a bottom fractal forming, but instead of bouncing upward, the price keeps dropping. This shows that fractals alone can give false signals. This is exactly what I decided to add a filter, RSI, to combine with the fractal. By doing this, we can focus only on stronger signals and avoid false trades. So now, I'm going to show you how I personally use RSI together with the fractal, based on my backtesting and real trading experience to trade more confidently. Adding RSI. To review quickly, RSI or Relative Strength Index is a momentum indicator. Most people use RSI to spot overbought or oversold conditions, but it also helps us understand the overall trend. Here's a simple way to use it with fractals. When RSI is above 50, buyers are stronger and the market is more likely to move up. When RSI is below 50, sellers are stronger and the market is more likely to move down. We have a separate video about the 50 level on RSI. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. By combining fractals with RSI, we only take trades where momentum is on our side. Here's exactly what I mean. If RSI is above 50, buyers are stronger, so we only take buy signals. If a bottom fractal appears, we enter a buy position. If a top fractal appears, we ignore it. If RSI is below 50, sellers are stronger, so we only take sell signals. If a top fractal appears, we enter a sell position. If a bottom fractal appears, we ignore it. In other words, RSI acts as a filter. It ensures we only take trades in the direction of the market's current strength. It prevents weak or false trades and greatly improves our chances of success. How to enter trades with fractal and RSI. Now let's break this down step by step. First, check the RSI. It must be above 50 to confirm bullish momentum. Next, wait for a bottom fractal to form. Once the fractal appears, don't enter immediately. Wait until a candle closes above that fractal level. This candle close is your confirmation that buyers are in control. Only after that confirmation, you can confidently enter a buy trade. For a sell trade, first check the RSI. It must be below 50 to confirm bearish momentum. Next, wait for the top fractal to form. Once the fractal appears, wait until a candle closes below that fractal level. This candle close is your confirmation that sellers are in control. Only after that confirmation, you can confidently enter a sell trade. This method makes sure we don't jump into trades too early and only take setups where momentum and price action are aligned, greatly improving the chance of success. How to set a stop loss and take profit. After entering a trade with fractal on RSI, the next step is risk management. For a stop loss in a buy trade, place it just below the fractal candle. In a sell trade, place it just above the fractal candle. This way, if the price breaks the fractal in the opposite direction, you exit quickly with a small loss. For take profit, set it at twice your stop loss distance. For example, if your stop loss is 10 pips, your take profit should be 20 pips. This risk-to-reward ratio ensures that even a few winning trades can cover several small losses. And most importantly, don't move your stop loss or take profit too early. Sticking to the plan is what makes the strategy effective. Real chart examples. Now let's look at a real chart example to see how this strategy plays out in practice. By example, here RSI is above 50, showing bullish momentum. A bottom fractal forms. We wait until a candle closes above that fractal level, and right here it happens. So we enter a buy trade. Set the stop loss just below the fractal candle and place the take profit at twice the stop loss distance. As you can see, in this case, the price moved up and hit our take profit level perfectly. Sell example. Now let's look at the opposite setup. Here RSI is below 50, showing bearish momentum. A top fractal appears. We wait for a candle to close below that fractal level, and right here it does. So we enter a sell trade, set the stop loss just above the fractal candle, and place the take profit at twice the stop loss distance. And again, the price dropped and reached our take profit target. This method ensures trades are based on clear rules and visible price action, making it easy for beginners to follow step by step. Final tips. Avoid trading when RSI is near the 50 line. It usually means the market is ranging and unclear. The best signals happen when RSI is clearly above or below 50. Stick to higher time frames like 1 hour or 4 hours, as lower time frames have too much noise. Risk only a small percent of your account, 1% or 2% at most. That way, even after losing trades, you can recover. Okay, that's how you combine the Williams Fractals with RSI to filter out noises and focus on high probability setups. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm and allows me to make more strategies. Don't forget to subscribe. I post new strategies every week. And check out the video link on the screen for more RSI strategies. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.